Welcome friends. Today we will discuss on some types of questions in interview techniques. There are various types of questions like closed questions, open questions, hypothetical questions. In closed questions, generally these questions are asked by the interviewers to find specific information about you. You are expected to answer these questions with yes or no or in a single sentence. Single sentence will be your answer. Your answer will be yes or no. Such kinds of questions that are closed questions. You have no chance to expand or express more than that. So generally, they are used to check facts or clarify details from your resume. You have submitted your resume already. There are some interesting points maybe mentioned by you in your resume, and they want to check this information by asking such closed questions. Such type of questions would normally start with do, have, will, etc. Do, have, will, these are the words of beginning of the sentence or the question. Example of such questions are: do you have to serve a notice period? Have you got a certificate? Or will you be leaving town in the next fortnight? These are such other questions can be answered with yes or no. So only yes or no will be your answer, or your answer will be in one sentence only. That questions will start with do, have, will. So these are the closed questions. Then there is second point, that is open questions. Open questions are asked to get the maximum information from you to validate your knowledge of subject. So open questions means you are open to explain almost each and everything that you know. So these open questions are generally asked about your study, about your knowledge, about your thinking. Open questions starts with WH from such as what, where, which, when, why, and how. Such questions should be answered with yes or no. For example, why do you wish to leave your present job? Why do you wish to leave your present job? You cannot answer just yes or no. You have to explain in more than two or three sentences or whatever it may be your answer. But you have to explain more. Another question is, why did you decide to go for MBA after your BE? Why did you decide to go to MBA, Master in Business Administration, after BE, Bachelor in Electronics or Engineering? There may be a reason, a sound reason to change the track. Engineering is a different field and business administration is a different field. If you changed your track after graduation, there may be a sound reason, and that reason you have to explain there in the interview. Then third question is like, when do you plan to join if you are selected? If you are selected, when do you plan to join the job? So you have to explain here when you are going to join the job if you are selected. So this is not the yes no type question. This is open questions and you have to speak there. Such questions are requiring detailed answers, and that's why it is called open questions. Closed questions are limited scope to answer. Open questions are having maximum scope of explaining each and everything. So in open questions you can speak more than 1, 2, 3 sentences. Then third point is hypothetical questions. What is hypothetical questions? These questions are asked to evaluate your analytical and critical ability. These questions are generally asked to judge your analytical and critical thinking or ability. They would start with conditions like if, suppose, or imagine. When exactly we use this if, suppose, and imagine in the sentence? If there is a condition. Some examples of such hypothetical questions are: if you are selected, what would you do on your first day? This is a hypothetical question and conditional question also. If is used in a first sentence, that is the condition. If you are selected means if you get the job or you get the appointment letter to join the job, what will you do on the first day of your service? So when exactly your first day will start? If you get the job. So getting job is important here. Unless and until you get the job, you will not be there for in the service for your first day. So this is the conditional questions. Suppose you had to put together a project team, how would you go about it? Suppose you had to put together a project team. That means if you are allowed to, or if you are appointed in a team, what will be your contribution? Imagine that your equipment broke down. What emergency strategies would you employ? Suppose you are working in a particular section of the company and your tool or your equipment broke down. What emergency strategies would you employ? So these are some explanatory questions. You have to explain each and everything about it. Such questions are asked in the interview to evaluate your analytical ability, logic, and experience. So with the help of your experience, if you have done a job previously, so you have experience, and on this experience you will judge or you will decide what to do. So experience matters here. Logic should be there. What I can do in a critical situation, you must be able to think over it. And your ability, whether really you are able to do or to handle critical situation, that is checked by the authorities or the panelists. So these are some types of questions: closed question, open question, and hypothetical questions. Before going to interview, you have to think about all these questions, and I would like to suggest you that you should prepare some your own questions, and you should be firm about the answers of these questions very clearly, so that you can easily face such kinds of questions. So be prepared before going to interview. Interview is the brilliant way to select a proper candidate, and that's why if some students are thinking that interview is an obstacle in the way of getting job, so that is the wrong thing. Each and every sector, if you want to get job in that, you have to face an interview. Unless and until you face the interview, you will not be able to get the job. So that's why interview facing techniques you must have with you, and for that you have to study over it. There are more than 7 lectures on YouTube on interview of me. So my lectures are there, no doubt at all. I will teach you, but you have to search more techniques on YouTube or online for the interview. But these are the basic tactics that you must go through. Thank you.